What's up, familia? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good Sunday. I love Sundays, but I hate them. It's a love-hate relationship because Sundays, you just totally want to just veg. The weather outside is absolutely horrible. That's why my lighting is just hot garbage. But it's the type of weather where you want to just like Netflix, eat snacks all day, marathon a show. So guess what I'm gonna be doing after I finish recording this video? That's right, Netflixing. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do faux fringe. If you're wondering what is a fringe is like a side bang, pretty much. My hair is growing and look where my fringe is. That's way too long. Nobody wants that all in your eye. That's not cool. I can't see anything. So I'm gonna show you how to do a faux fringe and 3 easy hairstyles that kind of go with it. So if you haven't made your way to the salon to get your hair trimmed up, or if you're indecisive, if you want to try fringes and you want to see what it would look like on your face shape, then this is a great way to do like a trial run. And also, if you are wanting to just switch up your hair, but you don't want to commit to a cut, this is also another way for you to just experiment. So, to begin, what you're going to need are bobby pins. For all my curly girls, make sure you count how many bobby pins you put in your hair, because you know those suckers get lost in there, and you find them while you're taking a shower washing your hair a week later. No buenos. And one more thing, ladies, please make sure that this is the shape of a bobby pin. This piece here is what goes flat to your head. Okay? Make sure you're doing that right. People don't do that right. Just saying. All right. So one of the things that you definitely want to do is you're going to section off the front part of your hair. And when you section that off, you're just going to try to determine, well, what pieces do you actually want to be part of your faux fringe. Now, usually the way that I do this is I try not to make it too big. Okay, got my faux fringe, right? So next you want to do is you're going to take your hand. Good luck. It's good luck. But you want to take your hand, you're going to lift, flatten it to this section here, and then drop. Now, does that look like the location that you would want your fringe? And then that's what I'm going to look here, because this is where my mirror is. So give me a second. Now that looks about good. So now what you're going to do is locate that location, and then you're going to take your bobby pins, ripple side down, and you're just going to pin flat. Nasty, right? I'm putting that in my mouth. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta do it. I usually have to use about, say like about four bobby pins, just to make sure that it's secure and in the right location, because you really don't want it to move around. And then I go in and I start to separate some of the curls, because you don't want your curls to be too big. Okay, that looks about good. And then, I know this looks super crazy, right? But we're gonna mess with it a little more, so don't worry. So, and it's okay, because then you can pull a few of them, because you only have it bobby pin loosely. I look like a rocker chick. I mean, the very first hairstyle that I'm gonna do with my faux fringe, and I know this looks really weird right now, but I promise it's gonna look good. So you just get any standard headband. This headband, I don't know why I said headband. This is a Goody headband, I believe. Yeah, it's Goody. So you want to put that on. And with that, you are going to then lift it up. I gotta put it right here for a second. You want to make sure this would be look 1. Faux fringe. Boom. What do you guys think? And you definitely want to experiment, see what works well with your face shape too. Like, I don't think, I have a ginormous forehead, but I don't think I look right with like full bangs, as you saw. So I tend to want to shift them around and put it more to one side so that my crazy eyebrow that I love to lift in like all my pictures and when I talk is actually poking through. So that's look 1. Now on to look 2. This look is going to be faux fringe with a messy bun. So make sure you guys take out your little cute baby hairs that you want to hang out. I usually love to put my hair up super high. And then you only wrap it twice. Your messy bun is supposed to be just that, a messy bun. And there you have it. Pull that one down just a little bit. There you have it. This is the best thing about curly hair. Look, boom, disappeared. Doesn't look like it wasn't supposed to be there. And this is faux fringe hairstyle number. Over there. I'm gonna put that right there. 2. See? Cute. Simple. That's it. Messy bun, faux fringe, outdoor. Number 3 hairstyle. It is pretty much just like the messy bun, but what you're going to do instead is make 2 buns. And we're making space buns. For space buns, what you want to do is separate your hair in 2 sections. And then you are going to do a messy bun pretty much on both sides, same technique. You're going to take your screw-wrenchy or pinche and you're going to ponytail it out and then messy bun it up. And now the other side. That's it, guys. Those are curly space buns. I usually try to take the extra curls, spin them around, because you definitely want to see the space buns because they're cute. I think it's funny that they call them space buns because I think they look more like teddy bear ears. What do you think? Waka waka waka. Good old space buns. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on social media. And until next time, bye guys. My bear ears. What'd you say? What did you say? Papa.